right, guys, here we are, day 2 of my gardening journey. I left these 4 pots. I was supposed to leave them for like 24 hours. I left them for more like 2 days. Can you guys see me? Yeah. 2 days I left them. And there's a lot of water that's soaked into here. And I bought a 4th flower. These are calla lilies. They look really pretty, so I bought them and I got another pot for it. So I think this is the day we're gonna plant these babies. All right, let's do this. What do we have to do next? Let's first look at the tomatoes. Let's read the instructions. We filled the separate bucket. We put the hockey puck in there. Fill the planter with 90% expanded premium growth mix. Okay. Carefully open the seed packet and place the seeds evenly divided in the premium grow mix. Place 1/6 of an inch of grow mix on the seeds. What's grow mix? Oh. The enclosed seed do not need access to sunlight in order to germinate. These seeds are slow germinators and may take up to 4 weeks to sprout. Oh, okay. Important, place the planter in a warm spot of 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. Keep the grow mix moist. Best is spraying out, avoid soaking completely. Okay, growing tips. It's important to feed your plants when your seedlings reach 2 to 3 inches or 5 to 8 centimeters. Use a standard, preferably liquid fertilizer, and follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging. Give water regularly, but please do not overwater, okay? Do not move your plants outside until after the last frost, okay? So we're gonna keep these indoors. That's fine, but it's still not clear to me how I do this. Okay, let's see. Open the seed packet. Okay, so fill the... All right, guys, I'm back. So I lost memory again in my memory card on the camera. So I'm now recording from my iPhone. What do you guys think of the quality of the video? Hopefully it's not too much different. And the best part is we have these DJI mics, so the sound should be good. All right, back to planting. Where were we? So, cannot find the seeds for the tomato plant. We cannot find the seeds for the lavender plant. We got the sunflower seeds and the oregano. So we'll have to make do. Let's start with the sunflower seeds. Let's see what it says. Instructions. Growing instructions. The plants can be started indoors and eventually placed outdoors after danger of last frost. The best time to start your indoor kit is from mid-February until June. Fill up a separate bucket of, okay, we did that. We put it overnight for 2 nights. Fill the planter with 90% of the expanded premium grow mix, okay. Right now it's like more than 90%, so we're gonna get rid of some. Water. All right. And now what? Carefully open the seed package and place seeds evenly divided into the premium grow mix. Place 1/6 of an inch or half a centimeter of grow mix on the seeds. The enclosed seeds do not need access to sunlight in order to germinate. These seeds are slow germinators, may take up to 4 weeks to sprout. Okay? That sounds simple. They didn't say anything about soil. So I don't know why I bought soil. Do I need soil? I don't even know. I feel like such a novice right now. Let's get rid of some water. Maybe that's too much water. All right, that looks good. And, all right, let's put these babies in. It is a little windy, so hopefully they won't fly away. Sunflowers, here we go. Oh, they're so cute. Little sunflower seeds. That's it? There's like 6 of them. All right, let's put these babies in. I'll just use my trowel here. Spread it out. 1, 2, and 3. I don't know if I'm doing it right, but I guess we'll find out. All right, so that's that. It looks really wet in there, so I don't know if I'm doing it right at all, or if this will work. But I guess we'll find out. All right, so that's the sunflowers. We'll add some soil to it, perhaps. Now let's do the oregano. I'm going to put the tomato aside, put the sunflower right here. All right, let's bring the oregano. This is probably also 90% of the puck thingy. Let's read this. Yep, fill the planter with 90% of the expanded premium grow mix. Carefully open the seeds and place the seeds evenly divided into the premium grow mix. Place only a little bit of grow mix on the seeds. Just a light coating of grow mix is needed to protect the seeds. The seeds also need access to sunlight in order to germinate. Please keep it very light. The seeds are slow germinators and may take up to 5 weeks to sprout. Okay, that sounds pretty simple. Here we go. Oregano wild marjoram. Let's open these. Let's get rid of some of the water. I think that's too much. All right. So small. Can't even see them properly. Oregano. Seriously, I don't see them. Maybe just like 3 little pieces, 4 little pieces. All right. Let's put some layers on it. Is that it? Again, I don't know if I'm doing this properly at all, but we will find out. All right, let's take a look at these calla lilies. 100+ days of flowers, 1 flower bulb. Is that all I need, is 1 flower bulb? How many lilies come out of 1 flower bulb? I have no idea. Plant, water, bloom. Sounds good, but how? Let's see the directions. How to grow your calla lily. Plant calla lily 1 to 2 inches below soil level. Okay, good, we can use the soil. Side with tiny sprout buds facing up, outside in well-drained soil, or use a planter of at least 6 inches in diameter for indoor use, and use standard potting soil. Keep soil moist at all times, but don't overwater. Calla lilies can grow inside and outside in partial shade or full sun when planted outside. Do not allow calla bulb to freeze. Okay, they have the "not" in all caps. Planting January to July after last danger of frost. Flower height 24 inches. Okay, so we are planting this in August. See how that goes. I think it should be fine because it's indoors mostly. All right, so let's put soil and then add 1 to 2 inches after we put these bad boys in. All right, yay, I get to take the soil out. See if it's still recording. It is. All right, cool. Cool. Put my handy dandy gardening gloves on. And, oh, I got tomatoes here. I totally forgot about these ones. These are the organic ones. Maybe we plant those. We could do that. All right. It rained the other day, so some of this stuff is wet, but it's all right. They're meant to be outdoors. Let's do this one. Bring it right here. How do you open this? Use my hands. Have you guys gardened before? Were you as clumsy as I am with gardening? Let me know in the comments below. Because I don't know much about it, but as they say, you learn best by doing. So here I am, doing planting and gardening. All right, here we go. Now it's open, and this is organic potting mix. Let's do this. All right. Now we're going to put these. Let's open this up. It looks like wood shavings. Doesn't look like seeds. Maybe they're within the wood shavings. Let's see. So hard to open these. All right, here we go. Not much of a smell. Oh, they're so cute. Look at that. They're right there. I think they're being protected by these wood shavings. This looks cool. So I'm going to put this right here. Just one of them, yeah. That's right, that's what they said. There's one bulb. That's the one bulb. I wonder how many flowers come out of one bulb. Do you guys know? All right, I'll just use my fingers here. Put them in. Put some more soil. All right. Add some water. What did they say about the water? Let's just read and make sure we don't overwater it. They say don't overwater, but keep the soil moist at all times. At all times? How? All right, let's figure this out. Let's keep some water in there. All right, so now we know the soil is moist. All right, so this one is ready to go. This is the calla lily. I'm gonna keep the box just in case I need to read those instructions again. And now we can do the tomatoes because we got more tomatoes here. Let's see how this one works. Plant as shown in the illustration in a warm area with sunlight 8 to 12 weeks before last frost occurs in your area. If it's outdoor, place it in a container or directly in quality soil as shown 6 to 8 weeks before last frost occurs. Night temps should be above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Add water as indicated in step 1 and 2. Variety, big boy, 6 to 8 ounces each. Brown, juicy, dark, red in color, great early variety, 55 to 80 days to maturity. These look yummy. And they're organic. They're called big boy tomatoes. Interesting. Actual growing image. Cool. All right, so how do I do this? All right, step 1. Place 1 tomato rocket in loosened soil. Ooh, it's a tomato rocket. Is it going to take off? Why do they call it a rocket? Number 2, make sure soil is at the top rim of the tomato rocket. Thoroughly soak with water, then water twice daily. Do not let dry out. All right, so, all right, let's see. It looks big in the image, but the box is pretty small. All right, so place one of these in loosened soil. Loosened soil. Is that considered loosened soil now? I guess so. We're gonna put it inside. I'm gonna wear my gloves. Check this out. This is what they call the rocket. Okay. Have to open it up even more. It looks like it unfolds. Let's get my gloves. Here we go. Ooh. I need more room. Maybe I'll take some of this and put in the lavender for now, so there's more room. Thank you, lavender. Take some more. All right. I think that should be good. Put put this in. All right, now we're gonna put the soil on top. I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing. Okay, so we put the rocket in there. Make sure the soil is at the top rim of the tomato rocket, thoroughly soaked with water, then water twice daily. Okay, so now we're gonna add more soil. Is this considered soil? I guess so. Damn, I really don't know much about planting, do I? But we're gonna give it our best shot as a beginner, just by learning by trial and error, I guess. This looks so bad because I think I put it too high up, but we'll make the best of it. I heard nature is very forgiving, so we'll find out if it will still grow in these conditions. All right, so the tomato seems like it's all set now. The oregano is all set, the sunflowers are all set, and the calla lilies are all set. The only thing that's not done is the lavender. And I don't know where the seeds are. We'll have to go get more. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any tips for me, please let me know in the comments. Your prayers will be much appreciated. I'm hoping these will grow beautifully and we can enjoy some yummy tomatoes and oregano and smell these beautiful flowers. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.